Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I still think this first move up is an A. I still think this is very clearly three waves down for wave B. I think this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I think it needs on the monthly, it needs to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, which is on the monthly time frame is going to take a very, very long time to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as a wave 3 right here. I think this is a subdivision 1, subdivision 2. I think there possibly is a wave 3, a wave 4. Maybe we're in a wave 5 or wave 3. Like I showed on the monthly, I still think this is a wave 3, and I still think at some point it is going to make a big wave 4, but I don't really think we're quite at that point yet. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, we are definitely still making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, definitely still in an uptrend. Now, this move down is pretty strong. It did happen right at a fib level. I am kind of expecting that it might actually go down one more time to make a more proper ABC before we actually do end up continuing back up. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it definitely did go down to a fib level, but I am definitely kind of wondering if this move down is actually supposed to be a trend because on the 1 hour, it does kind of look like a trend, like a wave A. This does kind of resemble to me like a wave B, and it possibly could go down for a C before it ends up going back up. But sometimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending up, and the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. So I think the trades that we really need to be primarily focusing on is longs in a uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are sitting right at the 78%. So if it does turn down, if it does break structure, then I think it would make for a pretty good short because then it would prove to me that this is an ABC of B. But really, until you actually see this right here, I don't think I would go short. And that means that this would be an A, a B, and a C. But like I said, sometimes what you think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. And I actually currently have it labeled as an ABC because it may actually very likely just keep on trending up like that. So the trend is definitely up, and I do think that we need to primarily be looking for longs in an uptrend. I just would be cautious because if it does go down and if it does break structure at a Fibonacci level, it could tell you that it is a wave B, and if it really is a wave B, then it would start a downtrend. So we do have a couple possibilities here, but as long as you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, because price is really the only thing that matters, then you should be able to tell whether it turns down for a wave B and goes down for a wave C, or whether it continues to make higher high, higher lows, and keeps on continuing up because the trend is up on all the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.